I will just show you a video which I created using Google's VEO3. Even though like it's not available in most of the countries, but still you can access Google VEO3 through various third party apps and platforms. Like I used Google VEO3 using Fal AI, which is my go to platform for AI content creation. I will show you a video. Like, you tell me like whether this is AI generated or not, or what do you feel about this video.
How do you stay informed about the latest developments in AI technology?
I follow Yaswant Sai Palagat.
This is a complete AI generated video, and I made people in a city of Hyderabad talking about my YouTube channel. So this is what I have created using Google VO3. It's really an amazing thing because you can create AI videos, you can create AI, you can create AI images, but with the voice, with the exact slang and things that you describe, do you even think this is possible an year back? No, like I never imagined that AI would go this far in 2025, and Google VO3 made it possible. This is more than amazing because like I will show you some videos now, and these are all created using VO3.
Quick tip, how'd your app blow up? Poolhall.ai. 30 creators post daily. We only pay when views hit. Pay per view?
So everyone keeps asking, why so many steroids?
Oh, let's be fucking for real.
Steroids are fucking awesome.
Just another Tuesday, folks.
On est en mai 179, sur la Grande Muraille. C'est la dynastie Han contre les Xiongnu. Il y a des cheveux tout, frère. Je crois que je suis en plein milieu d'une guerre antique chinoise.
We are at zero. I'm not owed to you anymore.
I cannot believe I'm here. Like, this is nuts. It is actually so crazy being in Japan. And
this is wild. I'm AI generated by VEO3. Nothing is real anymore.
What is the meaning of this treasonous document? They dare to declare independence.
Yes, it's me. Some people like to call me GPT. They ask me the strangest stuff.
Today's the big day. Today's the big day. Today's the big day.
You never have imagined about all of these things because it has audio. Like every video that you see has audio, and that audio never feel like it's an AI generated one. It's almost looking like the natural one, the real one. So that's the power of AI content creation. Thanks to Google VO3 for making this happen. This might create some problems as well, like fake news might spread easily, because in some of the examples, like you have witnessed that, like they look exact real but not real, like all of them were AI generated videos. So this might challenge with some of these problems like fake news generation, rumor spreading and all. But if you can explore the positive side of it, you can create wonders as well. Maybe at some point of time it will become difficult for us to identify which content is real and which is fake. So we might go into that situation in the short term. But how do you feel about it? Like, have you tried VO3 or even VO2? VO2, like I have already tried, but it's basic thing. We can create videos, but there are many other AI tools as well. Sora, you can create videos. Runway ML, we can create videos, but video with exact audio that we say, like it's something that is unique in VO3, and this might capture AI video generation market for sure, definitely. How do you feel about it, and have you tried VO3? If yes, what's something that you have created? Comment down your opinion. Thank you for watching. For more AI related content, as the person in the video said, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.